everyone, today in this video I'm going to be checking out the Tineco Floor 1 Stretch S6. This is a smart cordless floor washer. Take a look at that awesome product graphic here showing us that stretch functionality and how low this unit's able to get while it's still cleaning. Tineco did send me this product, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in the Floor 1 Stretch S6 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's see what's inside. Here are all the contents. First up, we have our instruction manual. You'll notice front and center, they have their customer service and contact information for you. Inside, you'll find charts and diagrams walking you through everything you need to know to get up and running, to troubleshoot, to clean, the different mode options, maintenance suggestions, everything like that. We even have their tech specs right there if you're interested. Moving right along, we have our 16.9 fluid ounces of cleaning solution. Then we have our transparent tray. This is for the charging, cleaning, and drying dock. That'll snap right in. We'll look at that in a minute. We have an extra main brush roller. We have our handle with Tineco's logo and branding, product registration information, a couple different control options there for you, all the buttons to use. We have an extra washable filter. And then last but not least, the stretch itself. Let's look at this in more detail. Starting with the front of the unit, you'll notice the Tineco logo and branding up at the top. Then you'll see our dirty water tank right here that we can remove by pressing this lever, and that pulls everything out. We'll look at it from all different sides and angles. On this side, we have our max level, letting us know when it's time to empty and that it's full. Here's one of our washable filters already installed, bringing our total to 2. That just goes right in there. Then we can pull up on this handle, and then we can gently pull everything out. So we can wash, clean, and maintain as needed. And then that just snaps right back in place. There's a look at the unit with the dirty water tank removed. And then we can easily just line it back up, and then it snaps right back in place there. Moving further down the unit, we have our main brush roller here. We can tip it up, and then we can press it down. And look at that. There's the stretch in action. How cool is that? It can basically run flat. Amazing, amazing, amazing. This reveals, first up, this cover that we can remove, which is actually our cover and, surprise, it's our clean water tank with a reminder to only use Tineco solution. How cool is that? So it's a 2-in-1 cover and clean water tank. When we pull that up, we get a better view of the main brush, so we can swap it out as needed, and you can see inside too what it looks like with it removed. Here's the side profile for you. Here's the other side profile for you. Here's a look at the back side. Up at the top, we have our release if we ever need to remove the handle once we have it installed. Additional product info, and then our 2 main wheels on the back right there, and then 2 additional smaller wheels towards the front. Charging contacts right there. And then here's a close-up of the underneath. Now it's time to charge it up and try it out.